it returns false if it does not contain the specified string. So basically, it helps in giving the results under the specified string that we want. So for the practical experience, we have imported 1999 to 2013 data of NFL offensive player stats using Microsoft Excel option in Tableau. Now, uh, we'll be using 1999 a 2013 data sheet for our visualization and practical example. So we drag and drop it into the sheets shelf, and we move on to sheet 1. Now we drag clear dimension and drop it onto rows shelf. Now we have to create a calculated field for using the function contains. So now we'll right click onto clear dimension, and we go to create option and choose calculated field option. Now we name the calculated field as contains. Yeah. Okay. Now we uh, use the function contains, right. So now in the contains function we have to specify the string and the substring. So the string is a dimension player. The substring would be, yeah, the substring would be the characters that we want, that is A R O, A R and O. So we'll close this calculated field. Now it says the calculation is valid. We okay it. Yeah, contains player dimension is new newly created dimension by Tableau. Now we drag and drop it on the row shell besides the player dimension. So now it's giving true wherever ARO characters are present. We see the true, true, and true. It's giving false where ARO specified characters are not present. So it is the use of contains function in Tableau. Alright, thank you for watching.